Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It's Tuesday, January 5th, 2021. And you can see right down there in the words, we're talking about growth mindset this week. We're talking about goal setting. We're talking about how you can change your brain. We'll talk more about the power of yet. And yesterday, you had to set a little goal. And today, we're going to think about that goal you set yesterday and how we can switch some things up today. Before we get into that, let's start with the Pledge of Allegiance. Can you please stand at attention? Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nicely done. You can have a seat. Show me a good slant. Get really quiet because today's morning assembly is kind of a two-part morning assembly. So I'm going to talk for a little bit and then we're going to pause so you guys can chat, and then you need to bring me back on the screen. So the first thing I want to talk about is when you set a goal like you did yesterday, then you need to think about that goal. It's called reflecting. You think about it and you see if you met your goal or not. And that's how you know if you need to change it or set a new goal or something. I did notice this as I was going around the classes yesterday. There were some classes that set a week-long goal. So you got two things I want you to talk about this morning. If you set a one-day goal, you just need to share out. Did you meet your goal? Yeah, I met my goal. I said I was going to read for 20 minutes and I read for 20 minutes. Or if you set a week-long goal, you just tell how far you made it on your goal. So you're going to think about your goal that you set yesterday and talk about how far did you make it. Teachers, you can pause for a second and talk about that and then bring me back on for part 2. All right, morning assembly. Part 2 is this. Now that you've thought about that goal, you need to figure out if you set a one-day goal, what your goal will be today. So for those of you that set a one-day goal yesterday, if you met your goal, I'm going to challenge you to set a new goal right now that's a little bit harder. If you didn't meet your goal, I'm going to challenge you to see if you can figure out why you didn't meet that goal and make a goal for today that you will meet. Maybe you need to change your goal, or maybe you just need to change what you did during the day so you can meet your goal. Okay, so if you set a one-day goal, right now you're going to talk about a new goal. For those of you who set a week-long goal, you're going to adjust your plan right now. So you just thought about how far you made it along on your week-long goal. Now you need to think, am I actually going to get to that goal by Friday? Do I need to work on my goal more? Do I need to change my plan? What do I need to do to reach that goal? Have a great day, Achieve.